A coveted big block 4-speed El Camino. This highly optioned jewel is a concours restored classic that's won multiple national awards. Looking for a choice collectible that puts a unique spin on an old school favorite? Take a look at this stunning Chevy. During the car's ground-up restoration, its body was completely disassembled and massaged into a laser-straight canvas. Once the builders attained better-than-factory panel alignment, correct Sandalwood Tan 2-stage was accented with fresh trim that includes optional bumper guards and an optional remote outside mirror. And presently, this Chevy rolls as a jaw-dropping classic that complements multiple Antique Automobile Club of America awards with a roster of Vintage Chevy Club of America honors. Naturally, the thorough restoration included the installation of a correct medium fawn and light fawn interior, firm bucket seats featuring optional power adjustment for the car's driver, stretch correct materials under deluxe belts, an ornate dash frames rebuilt gauges above factory cruise control, factory air conditioning, and a Delco AM/FM radio. The polished shifter rides a stainless trimmed console, and the driver spins an attractive Chevrolet rally wheel on a tilting column. Glance under the hood and you'll find 396 cubic inches of dressed big block that follows an L34 specific assembly stamp with a correct casting number. And a tough Muncie 4-speed sends power to a GM 12-bolt. Wrapping an excellent restoration around an athletic drivetrain, this national award-winning El Camino is a desirable, well-done collector car. For more information, call, click, or visit arcademotors.com.